Hello everyone, my name is Michael Mehmet. I'm here to help Elias out with some of the more technical components of Moodle. So he's just asked me to put a really brief video on how to use the discussion forums or the discussion space in Moodle. So this applies whether you're doing it for the main site or you're doing it for your tutorials. So let's get into it. All right, so as you can see, we've got to add a discussion topic. So once you click that, you get this in front of you, so you just type in your subject. Try and be as descriptive as you can be, so you let the reader know what the post is going to be about. Now, I'm sure we've all used forums before, and the text component is really easy. We just type. We can do lots of different things with that. If you want to make it more pronounced, you can go to the headings and make it nice and large or medium or whatever you want to do. So that's easy. It doesn't allow you to make URLs, so you've got to actually highlight the text that you want to make it have a URL and actually embed the URL yourself. And then, as you can see, it'll go blue. So now it's live, nice and simple. You can import images, so that's really easy to do. I'll give you 5 cents if you know who that is. So that's simple. So that gets imported there. Sorry, if you want to import a video, it's that simple. We just click the insert video button. We grab the URL. So if it's off YouTube, we just grab it, post it, enter its name, something for Elias. Insert. So that I'll let you guys click on that and see why I put that there. But the reason I like this forum setup, it allows us to do something a little bit different. So if we click the arrow button down, we've got all this other functionality. So if we want to include equation calculator, which we probably won't need, but it allows us to insert tables. So if we want to put in a table, for example, we're having a pros and cons argument and you want to put in a table, easy as. But if you want to record your voice, so if you want to put an MP3 file in there, it allows you to do that. And the other thing it allows you to do is record a video. So you can, I won't record it now for obvious reasons. I'm already recording a video, and a video inside a video is a bit odd. But all you need to do is press record. You keep it short, so up to a minute. Press play, and then you can upload it. So we'll just shut that down. So and that'll actually appear in the same manner as a hyperlink. So it'll just look like that. But once you press OK, so post the forum, it'll give you a really important option. It'll give you the option to actually edit your post within 30 minutes. So if there's something that you want to add or correct or whatever. So if we just tap into the post, we can now see the post, and we can actually, you'll see the image there. You can see how it centers the YouTube clip. That's something from Star Wars, one of Elias's favorites. You'll notice that all the links are live as well, and that you can play around with it. So if you do need to manage the posts, you can just click the little 3 arrows on the bottom of your screen, and you can do whatever you want with them. But if you want to actually delete the post, give us a second. We go back into it, we scroll down, and we can just press delete. You can press, I'll just move this over. You can press reply, delete. You can create and edit it if it's your own. I'm just going to delete this because we don't really need to see that. On the site, confirm delete. Yes, and it should go away. And that's how easy it is to use the forum. So don't be shy, go in there, play around with it. You can always delete what you've written later. Just get as comfortable as you can with it, and make sure you engage. Thanks for your time.